Hey guys, the manufacturer sent me this 13-foot condensation drain line for free so I can check it out and let you know what I think about it, which was right on time for me because I got this new portable AC unit for my window and it came with this really short line that I like to drain into like a condensate pump, but it's so short it makes it hard for me to move around. So I'm going to use what they gave me and set it up here. So just pull this off, open up the drain line they sent me. So you can see, of course, this is what it comes like right out of the box or out of the bag. It does come with a really nice hose or worm type clamp. I like that it's one that just has the like finger tighten screw on there as opposed to needing a drill or a screwdriver for it. So again, it's 13 feet. Just unroll it. And I say the actual really cool, unique thing about this one is the end here, the rubber grip or the seal that it comes with. So you can tighten it down very easily on numerous types of things, or numerous types of fittings. So this is threaded. You saw at the beginning of the video, I was actually trying to pull this hose off, but it was kind of stuck. So I was thinking I wanted to just clamp it around that, but I can't get that off for now. So anyway, just go ahead and put your hose clamp on there. If you can see down in there, it has kind of like a stepped feature. So, wider out here, then it steps down to a little bit smaller. So, I mean, if you wanted or needed, you could have the ability to cut that down to use the smaller piece of it, or if it's long enough to just kind of shove it in there. For me, I think I have plenty here. So you just put it on your drain line of your AC or your dehumidifier and use that clamp and you just screw it down all the way, which in my case I probably could use the smaller section down there, but I think it will compress enough to actually hold on tight enough on the AC unit where I could still get a good seal. I think I'm just about there. Yeah, I can feel it tightening up on my actual drain spigot. So, I mean, that tightened way down. You can see the size of the rubber fitting that they sent, and then the small plastic piece that was attached to my AC unit. And even though I didn't have much to grab onto in there, I was still able to get that clamp in there and tighten it up. So now, as opposed to the short tube that came with it, I can move my AC around as long as I make sure I have a good, good enough slope for the water to drain. I can use this and have the flexibility and portability to use that where I need it.